confidential funds, ginamit sa gamot, ginamit sa, buti nga, Vice President, ginagamit sa gamot, at saka sa gamot, sa pagkain, sa grocery, etc., sa supplies, no? Hindi naman yun ang ibig sabihin ng confidential funds. Di kunin mo sa billion mo, Madam Vice President. If you want transparency, you should start with yourself. Where are you spending your billions in presidential fund, vice presidential funds? Yung budget po ni Vice President Sara Duterte na 2.3 billion at yung confidential funds niya. Yung kanyang budget for 2023 yun ang pinakamalaki sa Office of the Vice President, no? At wag natin i-blame ang president or the budget or Congress for giving her confidential funds. Ibig sabihin ba, pag binigyan ka ng confidential funds, regalo yan sa iyo, Madam Vice President. Hindi po yan regalo sa iyo. Public funds pa rin yan. So, if you are pointing a finger at all other government agencies, there are three fingers pointing back at you. So, you start with yourself and start with presenting yourself accounting for public funds in the impeachment court. Huwag po kayo mag-press conference kasi hindi po yan ang korte ng bayan. Ang korte ng bayan ay ang impeachment court para sa accountable funds.